Good day, everyone. I am John Mark Martinez from BSCS 4B, and today I'm going to discuss to you the topic that I have chosen, which are what is the operating system important, what is GUI or the graphical user interface, what is virtual memory, what is thread in operating system or OS, and what are different types of kernel. So first, what is operating system important? So let us define first what is operating system. Operating system is a software program required to manage and operate a computing device like smartphones, tablets, computers, supercomputers, web servers, cars, network towers, smartwatches, etc. So an operating system is the most important software that runs on a computer. It manages the computer's memory and processes, as well as all of its software and hardware. It also allows you to communicate with the computer without knowing how to speak the computer's language. So next is what is GUI or graphical user interface. So it is a type of user interface through which users interact with electronic devices via visual indicator representations. So some popular modern graphical user interface example include Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, Ubuntu Unity, and GNOME Shell for desktop environments, and Android, Apple's iOS, BlackBerry OS, Windows 10 Mobile, Palm OS, Web OS, and Firefox OS for smartphones. The third one is what is virtual memory. Virtual memory is a feature of an operating system that enables a computer to be able to compensate shortages of physical memory by transferring pages of data from random access memory to this storage. For example, virtual memory might contain twice as many addresses as main memory. A program using all of virtual memory therefore would not be able to fit in main memory all at once. The fourth one is what is OS, or what is thread in OS rather. So a thread is the smallest unit of processing that can be performed in an OS. In most modern operating system, a thread exists within a process. That is, a single process may contain multiple threads. For example, in a browser, many tabs can be viewed as threads. MS Word uses many threads, formatting text from one thread, processing input from another thread, or etc. The last one is what are different types of kernel. So the different types of kernel are the following. The first one is the monolithic kernel. It is one of types of kernel where all operating system services operate in kernel space. It has dependencies between system components. It has huge lines of code which is complex. The second one is microkernel. It is a kernel type which has minimalist approach. It has virtual memory and thread scheduling. It is more stable with less services in kernel space. Inputs rest in user space. The third one is hybrid kernel. It is the combination of both monolithic kernel and microkernel. It has speed and design of monolithic kernel and modularity and stability of microkernel. The fourth one is Exo Kernel. It is a type of kernel which follows end-to-end principle. It has fewest hardware abstractions as possible. It allocates physical resources to applications. The last one is Nano Kernel. It is the type of kernel that offers hardware abstraction but without system services. Microkernel also does not have system services, therefore, the microkernel and nanokernel have become analogous. So that's the 5 question that I have chosen. Thank you so much for listening. Have a good day.